what? Let's watch this one. I feel like this one could be fun.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
I thought my car was broken into.
Why does he look like Baby No Money?
Glass. On my
I'm the new
seat.
Messiah.
Someone's car
Yeah.
exploded.
First gonna get cancelled.
All over mine. There's literally like melted metal all over the place.
I'm Sean Neckage, and this is this is Turnstone.
That fucking hits. Oh my lord. You fucking slapped shit at that light bulb.
I did not know, I did. That is all, man.
Oh no. The pizza.
She accidentally left something behind.
Oh wait, was that a wig? Oh no! That was a wig! That was a wig! Ah, that poor person. Oh no!
Is this the cleanest dab of all time?
Oh my lord.
What, boy?
Yo, that was clean. Okay, that dab was fucking clean. God damn.
What, boy? Where's Lava? Oh, no, where Lava at? He was on your pillow
Oh, what is that with dreadlocks? What the fuck?
the last time I saw him.
Why does he like he looks like Goku from Dragon Ball, but instead of like his hair being spiky, it's just like sticks.
You gotta keep up with my lizard. You gonna lose him, man. Dang.
Wait, he in your head. He must have grown
I have my hair back and forth at rest for real. Bro, do you guys know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of fucking the fucking meme rap artist that got popular a while ago. It was like 2018 or 2020 or something, and fuck, I forgot the name. They're like white boys who are trying to be rappers, so they said like gang or something.
I wouldn't put this on the highlight reel.
Ooh.
What? Well, yo, we're on Saturday.
These soccer fans decided to take advantage of the stadium's leaky roof.
Not a little pump, it's like gang, gang, gang. That's like a video of Snoop Dogg reacting to them. And Snoop Dogg was not impressed at all. I forgot the name. They're like two white boys.
He thought his truck was blocking him, but it actually saved him.
So FNAF fun start? I have no idea yet. I just did a poll, and the people said they wanted. So I'm gonna try and... oh yeah, the Island Boys. Like... what does it say? It's like... Island Boy... Gang, 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 or some shit. It's so stupid.
Whoa.
Oh my lord.
I don't
They got
think she
bitch
approved of
slapped.
his tattoo.
Oh, wow. Look at them shoulders. A tattoo.
So I
It's a
wanted to share this
disappointment.
really cool liquid that I have in the lab. It's called ferrofluid. And this
Good
ferrofluid
to have
is something that
have my dad
becomes
with
very strongly
good to have my dad
magnetized
with
in the
his
presence
stuff.
of a magnetic
Have a good day,
field.
Finn. Ah, okay.
Ferrofluid
Good luck
is
helping your dad. Have a good rest of your day, Fox.
suspended
Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it.
nanoscale particles in a carrier fluid, such as an organic solvent or water.
Yeah, I'm an
This is like that
island
one scene in
boy.
Toy
Gang,
Story.
gang, gang. I fucking hate those guys so much. They're worse than 6-7. High key.
She
Oh
forgets
my
something quite
lord.
important.
I'd be shitting my ass, fucking shitting my pants if I fucking was in that situation.
Hello, did you forget something?
What?
Me? You're picking me up.
Ma'am, can I have that, ma'am? Mel, give me that. You're gonna give me the.
This is the cutest ring bearer of all time.
They are liking us for that guy. Wally! Oh my lord, it's Wally! Wally for the Nintendo Wii.
Hey, see if you can pull me the
Bro,
chair.
the only thing that I can think about is like a Wally from Wii. Not any other game, if I can say.
They're gathering renovation plans
Not
right
any
after the
consoles.
issue.
Oh no, oh.
I don't know how people work from home. The only with a desk is my sister.
Yeah, genuinely the best Wii
In
game.
a Jim Carrey shrine. How can I concentrate?
So you're saying that Wally from the Wii Nintendo is better?
Staring at me.
He said that
Then,
he would record,
Wii
but
Sports,
he never
huh?
said what.
Oh, wow.
Hello.
Bro, how did you not know it looked like that? What the fuck? Hey!
It looks
Hey!
like this robot has had one drink too
Did
many.
that beatbox? It was clean.
Me trying to close the dishwasher. Oh geez. That's weird. How come it won't close all the way?
She's a
The
part-time
Kimmy!
delivery driver and a
Let's kiss
full-time
in there. What the
helpman.
fuck?
Your body is amazing. Girl, you look good, girl.
Hi, how you doing, person? How you doing, kitty? Hope you're doing well. We currently watch this updated this of internet before app off for the day. Huh. I thought they were holding their.
This stick insect
why
species
am I
has
thinking
these
like
small
this?
red wings, which act as a warning to predators.
Ugh.
I guess this team were playing with 12 players.
Ow. Why am I getting by? Holy.
5,000 rubber ducks were dropped into the river for a gigantic race.
Oh my lord, that's a lot. Thank you for the head pat person. Appreciate it, huh? Hope you're having a wonderful Tuesday so far.
Do you know what? 32 years of age. It still
What in
absolutely
the
baffles
fuck?
me how someone one day just thought, do you know what?
Ow. Why am I getting
I'm
hurried
gonna
by?
stick a shark out my roof.
Who knew that clams could sneeze?
Fuck it. Oh my lord. How is your leg not broken?
It's crazy. It's
Ah.
moon. It's on the moon. What is that? Is that the moon? It's just Bucky's.
I love white sauce. How? Like, genuinely, how? That's precision. That's your facial, holy.
I can't get out.
This is what the tallest skyscraper in Shanghai looks like from the skies.
How tall is that skyscraper?
Smell really bad. You guys need to move. You gotta move. I need you to move or let me go by. Don't bite me. Don't you bite me. All right, good boy. Good boy. Look at you guys. You guys are being good boys.
It should have been me, not him.
It should have been me, not him!
Holy shit.
Why is... Oh, I see. Why is he looking like that?
展示一下这个部分。
Imagine waiting hours to see a doctor only for them to be a robot.
That'd be so cool. That'd be so cool. Seriously, but my AC is good, thankfully. Let's go, dude. I wish I had an AC. Oh my lord. Oh my lord, that was cool. Puppy, puppy. Da, 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 da.
You better hope it doesn't work like a regular claw machine.
Why do I want that to grab me and pick me up? Not again!
In the puzzle, but like, I do not see a dog. I found where it fits in, but literally this photo does not have a dog in it.
What the fuck?
I think it's pooping.
That's funny as hell. So yeah, lots of people have an AC. Holy. Windbreaker, how you doing, kitty? Thanks for the head pat.
Bang.
We're another day closer to the Terminator becoming a reality.
Oh no, that poor door handle. Why is it like alive? It's a fucking symbiote, what the fuck? Aww, kitty.
The gooseneck barnacles.
Oh my lord.
This off to the trunk of a tree, which was floating
Trunk of a tree. That guy has to be British, holy. I'm British.
What's going on with you?
Why is this so majestic? Dude, this is a good album cover.
If you enjoyed this video, you might also enjoy this one, where I go through the most interesting videos on the internet.
Yeah, okay, that was so fun. That was so fun.